Long ago, in the lush green land, between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, there lived a people whose culture was as vibrant as their soil. This land was Tulunadu. When Tulunadu was still finding its rhythm, people believed that the land needed a strong guardian. The Divine Mother, Durga, answered this call, not in one form, but in 7 powerful presents. And they are called as Sapta Durgas of Tulunadu.
सुन्दरि माधवी चन्द्र सहोदरि हेममयि मुनिगणवन्दित मोक्षप्रदायिनि मञ्जुलवासिनि वेदनुते पङ्कजवासिनि देवसुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन
This is not merely a performance, it's a sacred dialogue between humans and the divine spirit. As night falls, the air grows thick with anticipation. A chosen performer adorns himself in a vivid costumes and heavy ornaments. With each step, he transforms no longer a man but the living embodiment of the spirit, what is called as Bhutakola.
वराहरूपं देववरीतं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम्
Where stories of heroes and gods leap from scriptures to stage, the world known it as Yakshagana. Where the night glow with the fire of Bhutakola, where the stage light up with the colors of Yakshagana, where the streets roar with the energy of Pilivesha, and where every prayer is offered with dance, music and devotion, this is called Tulunadu.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪದ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯ ನೃತ್ಯ ಶೈಲಿಗಳಾದ ಸಪ್ತದೈವಿಗಳ ಸ್ವರೂಪ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ, ಭೂತಕೋಲ ಹಾಗೂ